Imagine this. You walk into your bathroom, and there it is, a small puddle around the base of your toilet or a drip you just cannot explain. A tiny, hairline crack, perhaps on the tank or bowl of your toilet, can quickly turn into a major headache. But what can you do when you discover this unexpected issue? You can absolutely make a temporary repair to a cracked toilet, especially if the crack is small and not actively gushing water. The goal is to stop the leak immediately to prevent water damage and buy yourself time to plan for a professional replacement or more permanent fix. Common solutions involve specialized waterproof sealants like epoxy or silicone. These temporary repairs work by creating a watertight barrier over the cracked area, preventing water from seeping through. The success depends on the size and location of the crack, as well as the preparation of the surface. Ignoring even a small crack can lead to significant water damage to your floor, subfloor, and ceiling below, escalating a minor problem into a very costly one. To begin, first and most importantly, turn off the water supply to your toilet. You will usually find the shutoff valve on the wall behind or to the side of the toilet. Next, flush the toilet to drain the tank and bowl as much as possible, then use a sponge or old towels to completely dry the cracked area. Clean the surface thoroughly with rubbing alcohol to remove any dirt, soap residue, or moisture, ensuring maximum adhesion for your repair material. Once clean and dry, apply a generous amount of waterproof epoxy or silicone sealant directly over and slightly around the crack. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for mixing and application, as some epoxies requiring two parts to be combined. Smooth out the sealant to create an even, thick layer that fully covers the damage. Allow the sealant to cure completely, which can take several hours or even overnight, depending on the product, before turning the water supply back on. Once cured, slowly turn the water back on and carefully inspect for any leaks. When applying your sealant, remember that the material must bond directly to a clean, dry porcelain surface. Any moisture or grime will compromise the seal, leading to another leak. Also, consider if the crack is above or below the waterline, as cracks below the waterline are under constant pressure, making the repair more challenging and less likely to hold long-term. Successfully making a temporary repair allows you to avoid immediate water damage and gives you peace of mind while you arrange for a professional plumber to assess the situation. This immediate action protects your home from costly issues and provides a safe and dry environment until a permanent solution can be implemented.